plainest lodge room in the land was over Simpkins' store, where Friendship Lodge had met each month for 50 years or more. When o'er the earth the moon full-orbed had cast her brightest beams, the brethren came from miles around on horseback and in teams. And oh, what hearty grasp of hand, what welcome met them there, as mingled with the waving groups they slowly mount the stair, exchanging fragmentary news or prophecies of crop, until they reach the tiler's room and current topics drop, to turn thy thoughts to nobler themes they cherish and adore, and which were heard on meeting night up over Simpkins' store. The city eyes at Sheila's roam long usage had defaced, the telltale lines of laugh and beam on wall and ceiling traced. The light from oil-fed lamps was dim and yellow in its hue, the cot that once could pat and boast, though now it was lost to view. The altar and the pedestals that marked the stations free, the gatepost pillars topped with balls, the rude carved letter G, where village joiners' clumsy work of many things beside, where beauty's lines were all effaced and ornament denied. There could be left no lingering doubt, if doubt they was gaffer. The plainest lodge room in the land was over Simpkins' store. While musing thus on outward form, the meeting time drew near, and we had a glimpse of inner life through watchful eye and ear. When lodge convened at Devil's Sound with officers in place, we looked for strange conglomerate work, but could no errors trace. The more we saw, the more we heard, to greater our amaze, to find those country brethren there so skilled in Mason's ways. But greater marvels would atone before the night was through, where unity was no mere name that fell on heart like dew, where tenets have a mind endued and truth rich fruitage bore, in plainest lodge room in the land up over Simpkins' store. To hear the record of their acts was music to the ear. We sing of deeds unwritten which on angels' scroll appear. A widow's case, 4 helpless ones, lodge funds were running low. A dozen brethren sprang to feet, and authors were not slow. Food, raiment, things of meatful sort, while one gave load of wood, another shoes for little ones, for each gave what he could. Then spake the last, I haven't things like these to give, but then some ready money may help out, and he laid down a 10. Where brother cast on darkest square upon life's checkered floor, a beacon light to reach the white was over Simpkins' store. Like scoffer who remained to pray, and pressed by sight and sound, the faded carpet neath our feet was now like holy ground. The walls that had such a dingy look were turned celestial glow, the ceiling changed to canopy, where stars were shining through. Bright tongues of flame from altar leaped, the G was vivid blaze, all common things seemed glorified by heaven's reflected rays. Whole wondrous transformation wrought through ministry of love. Behold, the lodge room beautiful, fair type of that above. The vision fades, the lesson lives, and taught as ne'er before. In plainest lodge room in the land, up over Simpkins' store.